keeping everyone guessing.
Trippier. Kane. Spurs extend their lead. And whilst Kane leads the celebrations, there are plenty of pats on the back for Kieran Trippier too.
Well, this is really powerful stuff. It's a tremendous reaction. The free kick is wonderful, but the fact that it hit the post before he could get across to it, it just opened everything up. And now we've got Son, Ali and Kane on the score sheet, just waiting for Eriksen to make it the Fab Four.